Hi everyone. Today we'll create Dofollow backlinks from 3 high authority websites. Our first website is this one, and the DR is 76, 2.9 million backlinks, and linking websites 820. Go to this website. Okay, it's in Bulgarian language. Translate it to English. Here you can see that we don't have the option to translate. So what you do, pick any text, right click, and click on this option, translate to English, and you will see this option, translate full page. Now fill up the details. Registration. Now go to your email and confirm the link. Confirm the data. Okay, let's try again. It's not accepting. Okay, we are getting this error. So what we'll do, we'll not touch anything. Translate it and open this in new tab. You can change your details here. And then add your website address here. Okay, that's it. Now go down and save. Okay, now our profile is ready. Now for the URL, what you have to do, go to the top navigation, then copy this link. Don't click on it, just copy this link. Open new tab and paste the link. And now you have to add your username, and your username is here. Enter, and you'll see your profile here, and the backlink is here. I said do follow backlink. Let's check. You can see it said do follow backlink. This is our first website. Now let's talk about our next website. Our next website is this one. DR is 81, 1.4 million backlinks, 14K linking websites. Login, create account, Add your details. Change your username if you like. Okay, our page is ready. Now go here, account settings. Add your bio here. And add your link here. Save. Can add multiple links. I'll add one more. Okay, it's saved. Now go here, click on user profile and select any of these links. Now here's my profile and these are my backlinks. You can see this is my backlink. And this one is the second one. And both of them are Dofollow backlinks. This is the second website. Now let's go to the third website. This is our third website. And the DR of this website is 86, 1.4 million backlinks, 7.3K linking websites. Go to this website. Sign up. And then add your details. Confirm your email. Then add your username. Next. Skip this setup. Go to your profile and click on intro. And here you add your website address and then save. Now Go to your profile page. I'll add some text here. Save. Okay, now profile looks little bit better. This is my backlink and it's Dofollow. So this is our last backlink. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our future videos, we'll bring some more SEO and backlinks related videos. Till then, see you and take care.